Hi guys, today we are going to talk about a little glide or slide where you're kind of crossed up underneath yourself or over top of yourself, however you want to call it. I don't know the name of this, but I've seen people do it on one toe plug, which is really hard. I'm just trying to do it on 2 toe plugs where I'm crossed underneath myself. So I'll explain it again. I'm learning this, so I'm not the best, but you got to get a little speed going. I'll do it first and then I'll kind of break it down. So go like this, turn around, and you cross up underneath.
Ooh, that was cool.
All right, I'll try it again. Turn around. You slide.
I can see your tracks because it's been wet out here and been raining. Yeah. Woo.
So hopefully that looks pretty cool, you guys. So to do this, I think you first got to be comfortable with turning around and doing toe stops, you know, together at the same time. Because when you cross up underneath yourself, it's really scary. It's terrifying because it just does not feel stable at all. But you're gonna want to be in this position where you're like, you're on your one toe plug, in my case, and you're crossed underneath yourself or over top of yourself, however you want to
balance like that. Yeah,
it's hard to balance like that.
Yeah, I see that. Okay.
So you want to get comfortable with that, which again, I'm not really, but I'm just learning these. So
yeah.
And if it's the other way, you're going to be like that, like that.
Woo.
Pretty scary.
Like X'd up or crossed up. Yeah.
Yeah. So the way I do these, I'm not like turning around and going on both toe plugs at the exact same time. I'm getting comfortable with doing one, and then I bring the other one over myself, or however you want to say it. So what I mean by that is this: you're going to be traveling. In my case, I'm turning to my right. Turn to the right. Then you put this toe, back one on, back toe plug.
Okay.
And then you bring this one underneath.
Oh. Okay.
Right?
Back then front.
Back then front.
Okay.
So turn to the right, go up on that toe plug, then that one.
Okay.
And then you just kind of hold that as long as you can. It's super fun. So if you're gonna go and do it the other direction, I'll try to break it down because I don't even know how to do it this way. So you turn to the left, and then you bring this toe plug. You stagger your feet a little bit, and you bring this toe plug, which is your left. Get comfortable sliding on that first, and then you bring your right one over top yourself and slide that way. Okay, so I'll try it again. Turn to the right in my case, and then slide. Get comfortable on the back toe plug first, then bring the front one over and cross in front of the other one.
Okay.
Does that make sense? Hopefully. Do it again. Turn. They look pretty stylish.
Oh, you like spun out of it. That's cool. Like a cool variation.
Yeah, you can do that. It's all.
Let's see that again.
Do you want me to spin?
Like by accident. Yeah. Let's see that.
I'll try to spin.
Do a little slide, then spin. Cross up, slide, and whoo! Oh, that wasn't so good. You almost fell.
Try it again.
Try again. That was cool. Yeah.
Was it really?
Because it's a little damp out here, so
it's been raining.
Yeah, it's a little slick.
It's been raining, so it's slippery, but it does kind of help with sliding. You can see my marks here. Sliding pretty far, and you can see how at the end of my slide it's kind of curving.
Yeah.
Because you're crossed up.
Yeah. Let's see that again, just from the feet angle.
From the feet, so you turn around.
Woo. That's neat.
So that's, I guess, what you call a cross-up slide or a cross-up glide, or I don't know what you call it, but they're really fun. So hopefully, you know, again, I'm not the best at these, but I'm just learning them. So hopefully I've learned enough to where I can kind of explain this to you guys in a way you can learn and figure this out for yourself. So hopefully this was fun for you guys. If you like this content, hit the bell for more. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We appreciate it. Thanks.
And let us know if you know a better name.
Yeah, really. It's raining again. We got to go.